honorable officers, respected madam, teachers, and my dear students. Good morning and welcome you all. I am Kamini Ganesh Desai from Malvani Township English School in Malad West, PN Ward. Good morning all the students. Welcome everyone. Okay. Today we are going to learn geography lesson number 3, tides. So first let's revise the topic. Okay. See on the screen you can see the picture. Okay. Today we are going to learn tides part 2, in which we are going to learn about tides. Okay. See children, you can see one photograph on your screen. Okay. In the first, see the first picture, left hand side. Yes. What do you see in the first picture? The water is very near to the sea coast. And in the right hand side picture, you can observe that the water is very far from the seashore. When water is very near to the sea coast, it is called high tide. And when water is very far from the seashore, it is called as low tide. The movement of rise and fall in the water is known as tide. Okay. And why does the tide occurs? Because of the centrifugal force and gravitational force and rotation and revolution. Yes, children. See, this is our Earth, our planet Earth. See, it is a replica of Earth, and in your textbook, we know it as Miss Globy. In each and every lesson, Miss Globy character is there. It is very interested character, and she asks you the questions that did you know me? Who am I? Just think, do this. It's very good character in your textbook. Animation is there, and yes, you like it very much. See, this is our globe, our Earth planet. This is the North Pole, South Pole, and in the last lecture, we already learned that due to the rotation, Earth rotate around itself. Due to the Earth rotation, centrifugal force occurs, and tides occurs because of the centrifugal force and the gravitational force. See, in the last lecture we already learned that see, an apple fall from the tree. See the right hand side picture, gravitational force. An apple fall from the tree. It is because of gravitational force. If we throw anything on the in the space, it will come back to us because of gravitational force. And because of gravitational force is much higher than the centrifugal force, we remain on our place. We are not fell down. We are as it is, where it is. We exist on our place because of the gravitational force. Because of centrifugal force, we are going away from the center. See the merry-go-round. In the merry-go-round, we are going away. We are moving away from the center. We enjoyed in many merry-go-round. And last time we also learned one, if whirl the kitchen, it will turn around from the center. So because of the gravitational force, centrifugal force, and because of the rotation and revolution of the earth, the sun is not revolved, but the moon is revolved around the sun. The earth is revolved around the sun, and that is why the tides occur. Okay. So, how tides occurs, that we learned in the previous chapter. And see this globe. Here it is a 0 degree meridian, and here it is a 180-degree meridian. If suppose here is a high tide, the opposite side also occurs a high tide, because the water is pulled from this side and this side, and that is why if here is a high tide, here also is the opposite side, there is also high tide. Here it is because of the moon gravitational force, it creates a high tides here, and here it is for the centrifugal force. Okay, children. So now see on your screen what are the effects of tides. How tides are occurs. See on your screen. The next screen. See the next screen. Today we are going to learn about the types of tides. Okay, children, timing of tide varies every day. Its range also keeps on changing. Now, children, what do you understand by this? Timing of tide varies every day. See, children, your morning lecture starts at 8 o'clock. You join the Zoom meeting at 8. Okay. Then your second lecture is on 8:55 on Monday. Yes. So if Monday your lecture is on 8:55 to 9:40, Tuesday it will remain the same. It will not going to change. But if your school time is at 12 o'clock to 6 o'clock Monday, then also Tuesday the timing will be the same. Wednesday also the timing will be same. But in tides timing are not same. It always varies. Every day it varies. Why? Because of the moon position, because of the earth position, because of the revolution of the earth and moon position, the timing of tides every day change. You know, if it takes 12 hours and 25 minutes every day, and its range also keeps changing. What do you mean by range? Range means speed. Its speed, its velocity is also keep on changing. So after every 12 hours and 25 minutes, high tides and low tides are occur. It is a daily and regularly done. Okay. This is a cycle. This cycle is complete after every 12 hours and 25 minutes because of the gravitational force, centrifugal force, and the rotation and revolution of the earth and the moon. Okay, children. Next point. The highest high tide occurs on full moon and new moon days. Okay, children. You all know the phases of new moon. I will share this screen with you afterwards. First, what do you mean by full moon day? Purnima. When if we see the sky, the full moon, it is very beautiful. Many poets write poetry on it. Hai. In literature, there are many stories of Chanda Mama. Yes. So on full moon day and new moon day, when we are not seeing the sky, in the sky we cannot see the moon. Moon is there, but the sunlight is not on the moon, and that is why we cannot see the moon on that day. Okay, the highest high tide occurs on full moon and new moon days, whereas on first and third quarter days, and in first quarter and third quarter days, the moon position is in semicircle. The high tide is its minimum. The maximum high tide is on the full moon day and the new moon day, whereas on the first and the third quarter days, the high tide is at minimum. There are two types of tides, or we can classify tides into two types. One is spring tide and other is nip tide. Okay, see on your screen, you can understand what is spring tide and what is nip tide. Okay, children, see on your screen. And new moon, we cannot see the moon. Huh? That is new moon. And full moon. After full moon, first quarter. See the first quarter, it is in circular shape. See half part of the moon we can see. This side, yes. And on the third quarter, see the left hand side, we can see the moon. Here on the first quarter, right hand side, when moon is increasing from the full moon day. And after new moon day, it will decrease. No, after new moon, it is increasing. See the third quarter, and after full moon, it is decreasing, waxing, waxing third position of first quarter and third quarter. On this day, the tide is at its minimum level. Okay, children. Now see the two types of tides. Yes. What is spring tide? See, children, on full moon and new moon days, the gravitational force of the sun and the moon on the full, see on your screen, on the full moon days and the new moon days, means 2 days. In month, it occurs 2 times. The force of the moon and sun. The moon is in middle. Yes, the earth and the sun, they all are in the same line. It is in the same direction. Hence, the gravitational force of moon is also very high and the sun is also very high. And because of their high gravitational force, on these 2 days, the tide is much higher than the average high tide, because the total pull is increases. See, it is a complementary angle. In maths, you understand, 180 degree when they are in the same direction. And see a little red line on the earth. It is a bulges. Why the bulges is, why we see the bulge on the earth? Because of gravitational force, high tides are getting. Okay, and same at the opposite side also there is a high tide, but it is because of the centrifugal force. And because of the moon is very closer, the moon is very closer to the sun, and that is why the force of moon is much higher than that of the sun. And that is why on spring tide there is a high tide and it is a maximum high tide on that day. Once again, children, on full moon and new moon days, the gravitational pull of the sun and moon act in the same direction. You can see on the screen, they are in the same direction, no? Yes. Very good, children. They are in the same direction, and due to this, the total pull is increased. The force is double. The sun gravitational force and the moon gravitational force. The force is double, and that is why high tide is increasing. And on this day, this tide is much higher than the average tide. There are two types of tide, and we learn the first tide, that is spring tide. Now the second tide is nip tide. See on your screen, very beautiful picture. A tide that occurs when the difference between the high tides and low tides decrease. Nip tide comes twice a month, as same as spring tide. Spring tide also comes twice a month. Twice means 2 times. Nip tide comes twice a month, in the first and third quarter. Hello students. Yes. Again, see, nip tide. A tide that occurs when the difference between the high and low tide is least. See, why their difference is least, that we can understood by this diagram. See, I always repeatedly say that the revolution of the earth and moon and the rotation of the earth and moon is the occur daily and regularly. See, the moon's position is changed. In springtide, they are in the same direction. While in nip tide, it is in the right angle direction. The sun, the earth and moon. The moon change its position from straight line to the right angular. Right angle, 90-degree angle, you know children, 90-degree angle. Huh? A tide occurs when difference between the high tide and low tide is least, and neap tide comes 2 times in the month in the first and third quarter of moon. Huh? Thank you. Neap tide comes 2 times in the month, first and quarter of the moon, that we saw semicircle. Huh? So see, the position is changed now. It is not in complementary angle, it is a 90-degree angle, and that is why, see, the force is changed. Okay, it divides into the two parts. Huh? It separates the two parts. Pool is also in two parts. Sunlight is also on two parts. Divided into the two parts, and the position of moon is changed, and that is why it is little lower than the spring tide. The moon is at right angle with respect to the sun. See, the moon is in the right angle respect to the sun, and that is why this tide is little lower, though it is a high tide, but it is little lower than the spring tide. Once again, children, very good. You are telling me what are the difference between the spring tide and dip tide. We will find the difference between them. It occurs on the full moon day and new moon days. 2 days are there, na? So days. It occurs on full moon days and new moon days. It occurs on quarter moon days. Okay, first quarter and third quarter. Neap tide occurs on quarter moon days. Spring tide occurs on full moon and new moon days. The time residues of water is much higher than the average pool and residue. We understood just now that as the sun and the moon and the earth are in the same direction, in the same position, it force is double. It is at complementary angle, 180-degree angle, and thus the force is much higher, and because of that, the pull and force of uh, gravitation force and pull is much higher than the average residue. Thank you. So, neap tide occurs on the quarter moon days. The total pull and residue of water is much lower because it divides, because it acts at right angle. The moon changes its position from straight direction to the right. It revolves, and then change its position to the right angle. So it is on semicircle. It looks like a semicircle. So it is divided into the two parts, and that is why this tide is little lower than spring tides. Okay, children. Once again, spring tides occurs on full moon and new moon days, while as nip tides occurs on quarter moon days. On the spring tide, the total pool and residue of water is much higher than the average pool and residue. The total pool and residue of water is much lower in the spring tide than the average pool and residue. Okay, children, now we are going to see the effects of tides. See, children, you can think that we go on beach. We must have visited Zuhu Beach, Marve Beach, Aksa Beach. Sometimes we go on Manori Beach. We feel very pleasant, very lovely. We feel so good. We forget everything, school, tension, everything we forget on the beach. We enjoyed over there. So you tell me that, Miss, we are going to the beach, we eat bhel puri, we drink cold drinks. Why we know what is tide and what is that and what are the effects of tide? But children, it is very useful. We must know the good effects and bad effect, the positive effect and the negative effect, because sometimes innocently we go somewhere we don't know the like timing of tides, and it will cause accidents, so we can prevent it. Okay, what are the positive effects and what are the negative effects of tide that we today going to learn? There are various effects of tide. See the first picture and the second picture. See, a little boy is drowning. Huh? Baapre, huh? Is drowning in the sea and very much afraid. Is very afraid because he don't know the swimming, and because of lack of understanding of timing of tide, it cause accident. Sometimes we are no more. Huh? Why? Because an accident is taking place if we don't know the timing of tides. Some effect can be positive, but some is very negative effect, and we can avoid it. If we know the negative effect of tide, you always know that prevention is better than cure. What do you mean by prevention is better than cure? Means if we fall ill, we go to the doctor, they save us. But if we don't feel ill, if we don't fall ill, then it is very good. If you know the timing of tides, you ask local people, you ask your safeguards, ask your parents, go with your friends, go with your neighbors or elder person and ask them. And if it is same, when the water is not so deep, when the high tide is not there, when water is shallow, at that time you can go into the beach. Otherwise, you should not go to the beach. Otherwise, this type of accident will cause. See the high tide. One little boy is there, and a man is also there, and they are looking very worried and afraid because of the accident of tide. They don't know the swimming, and sometimes you know the it is risky. So high tide and low tide, there is a risk of accident. So please take care while you enter the sea. See the next effect. See on your screen the next effect of tide. See on your screen. Very good. Some effects are very positive. See, wow, very beautiful pictures are there. Huh? During high tide, fish are near the shore, which make the fishing activity very easy and smooth. See, there are two pictures. The below picture is about low tide. A fisherman is trying to catch the fish but unable to catch because of less water is there. See the below picture, left hand side, and see the above picture of high tides. See, the water level is so high. We can see the plenty of fish. So many fishes are there. Huh? So fisherman is catching the fish, and two fishermen, yes, they hold the net in their hand and go away. They look very happy because they got so many fishes. Huh? Okay, children, am I audible? See on the screen, yes. During the high tide, fish near the shore, which make the fishing activity very smooth. During the low tide, it is not possible. But during the high tide, we can catch plenty of fishes. Fishes are also very important We can make medicine from the fish. Yes. And some people are eating fish also, na? It is also good for health. Yes. Now see the third effect of tide, that tide helps in maintaining the mangroves and coastal biodiversity. See children, you think what is this word mangroves, coastal biodiversity? No, it's very simple. When the trees are along the sea coast, when the trees are grow along the sea coast or the river, it is said mangroves. Okay. So tide helps maintaining the mangroves. When high tides occurs, it watered the plants, and thus the plants are growing up. See, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, they are in the same line. We see many coconut trees, near the sea. So tide has the high tide watered the plants, okay, and thus it maintaining the mangroves. And how trees are helpful to us, when high tides occurs. Sometimes the high tide is very high. At that time, if there is no tree in the bank of the sea, then all the water came in our house. See, it prevents the water. It prevents. Trees prevents the water. We cannot, thus we are safe at our home. And tide comes in the certain area, and that on the trees, they water the trees and then go away. Okay, so tides helps in maintaining the mangroves and coastal biodiversity, and other effects of tide, that during high tide fish are near the seashore, and which make the fishing activity very smooth. See the next effect of tide. See on your screen. Yes, it's a very beautiful beach. Huh? We all like to visit to the beach. Na? After lockdown, one day we will go. Okay, we take permission of our madam and we will go to the picnic. Okay, see it's a beautiful. The bank of the sea is very clean. The sea coast is very clean. Why the coast is so clean? Because when the high tides occurs, it clean the coast. See all the coconut trees, and where little plants. It looks so, birds is very flying, See, it's so beautiful. So yeah, yes, it's so cute, and we all like to go to the beach, and we all like clean and tidy beach. Tide helps to clean the coast. High tides come and it clean the coast. Okay, so it is a good effects of high tide that it cleans the coast, and it is our responsibility. It is our responsibility that we must keep our beaches clean. We should not throw garbage and anything on the beach. Wrappers of wafers and all that, we should not. Okay, sometimes we worship the gods and we uh, put flowers. Don't do like this. We should not throw waste in the beach. We must keep our beach clean and neat. It's a nature, and we must respect our nature. Okay, children? See the next effect of tide. Ships can move up again. Okay. When high tide occurs, seawater can be stored in the salt pans, through which salt can be obtained. Okay. When high tides occur, water can be stored in the salt pans, and through which salt can be obtained. Okay. Am I audible? See the screen. Yes. See, one man holds the salt, huh? And see, it is the salt. Huh? All the salts are sea. Salt is very essential for cooking. It's a very essential element, and A. In chemistry, we know salt as Na. Salt, without salt, our food is not tasty. If you put so many spices, badsa masala, garam masala, chili powder, dhania powder, lime, everything, to make our dish very tasty. But if we forget to add salt, what happen? Our dish will not be tasty. It looks tasteless, and also it affects our health. Sodium is very useful for our health. So, in the salt, if the sea water is stored in the salt pan, huh, after some times it evaporates, the water is evaporated, salt will remain there, then it will go to the factory, clean over there, packed over there, and afterwards we get the salt. There are different types of salt, rock salt, white salt, black salt are the different types of salt that we all get from the nature. See, all the main things we absorb from the nature. Nature is so kind. We must protect our nature. Okay? See the other effect of tide. The tidal force can be generate electricity. Yes, see the plant. We get energy from the tidal force, and thus this force, it gives energy, and thus we generate electricity through the tidal force. There are different types of force, children. Gravitational force, centrifugal force, and different types of energy, just solar energy. It is a very natural energy we get from the sun. And from the tide, we get electricity. Yes, in UK and France, in the developed country, they have a large project on tidal force, and they generate electricity from these tides. So all these are the good effects of tides. Once again, see on your screen the different types of effects of tide. Just see one time, so it will be revised for you. See the negative effect. If we don't know the timing of tides, it will cause accident. See the next screen. See, see the next picture. Yes, we just revised. Yes. See, fishing activity is smooth because of tides. Mangroves, it helps the mangroves. Yes, see the next screen. See, yes, the coast is become clean, and ships can move up to the ports during the high tide. If water is very high, then and only then the ships can move to the port. Otherwise, it is unable to come to the port. Okay. So ships can move up to the ports during the high tide. Yes. If water is not there, then the ship cannot move. Yes. When high tide occurs, seawater can be stored in the salt pans, and through which salt can be obtained. The tidal force can use for to generate electricity. So all are the effects of tide, children. Now I am going to see what are the timing of tide. Yes, see on your screen. See our earth. See, this is our earth. Yes, here it is a 0 degree meridian. Its opposite side it is 1 degree meridian. Okay, if high tide is create here, if there is a high tide here, the opposite side also creates a high tide. And after every 12 hours and 25 minutes, there is a high tides and low tides. See, in the figure, see on your screen, if P point, point P is shown, and at the opposite side, there is point F. It is our planet Earth. See point P and point F. You all know the rotation of Earth. See, see the see. If it is here, here is point P and here is point F, or here is point P and here is F. So if we our Earth is rotate now, so it rotates. It takes 12 hours to come. Yes, it takes 12 hours to come. Now our moon also rotate around itself. Our moon is also rotate around itself. See, our moon, it also rotate around itself and it revolves. See, our Earth is rotated. Okay. Even the moon is also rotate around itself, and everything, every planet and satellites revolve around each other. Why? Because of the gravitational force. Because of the gravitational force. Okay. So, because of this, the gravitational force, they revolve around the Earth, and Earth revolved around the Sun. Now see the diagram again. See, I'm setting the diagram again. Very good. See the point P, it will take 12 hours to go to the F. Okay. And see how two moons are showing in the picture. Why only one Earth and two moons? Moon is also one, but it position. See the position. Moon revolved around Sun, and that is why it takes 25 minutes more to reach at point F. So P will go to the F, our Earth will go on the 12 hours. But moon take place from P to F1 and P1. Moon take 25 minutes more. The moon takes 25 minutes more than Earth. And see, both are in the opposite direction. If there is a high tide on this pole is also facing the high tides, and these two sides, because of water are pulled from there, here and here there is a low tide. If here is a high tide, then here is also a high tide, right? Because of the position of moon, it will take 25 minutes more. After every 12 hours, 25 minutes, high tide and low tide cycles are get completed. Okay, tides and low tides are completed after 12 hours and 25 minutes because of the moon position. Two times there is a high tides and low tides in the sea. And if we know the timing of tide, then we can prevent accident. It will helpful to us. So we must know the timing of tides. If a high tide is at maximum level, the low tide will get in. And when the low tide is at minimum level, at that time, the high tide sets in. Means in 25 minutes, there is a high tide, and after 12 and 25 minutes, there is a low tide. This cycle is going on. Suppose in the morning at 9 o'clock, there is a high tide. So after 12 hours and 25 minutes, that means at 9:25, there is a low tide. So children, this is all about tides. Tides, it's a beautiful natural event. So I would like to ask you some of the questions. So give me the answer, unmute yourself and try to give me the answer. So I understand whether you understand the topic well or not. And if you have any queries, you can ask me. Okay, you can ask in the chat box, or you can ask queries on your WhatsApp group. And children, I will send you one link, YouTube link, in which you can understand this topic very well. Okay, Sri. Now give me the answer. Unmute yourself and YouTube link well. Okay, Sri. Or false. Tides are influenced more by moon than sun. True or than sun. More by the moon than the sun. Though our sun is powerful, but moon is very closer to the earth. So whether it is true or false, am I audible, sir? Yes. Yes.
True.
Very good. Tides are influenced by the moon than the sun. Very good, children. See the next question. Spring tides occur on full moon days and new moon days.
Miss,
True.
true, true.
Very good, very good, very good. Yes. Yes, very good. Centrifugal means going away from the centers. Yes, remember the merry-go-round and the kitchen. Centrifugal means going away from the.
Means true.
Correct, very good, very good. We obtain salt from the sea. Yes, we see the effects of tide. We obtain salt from the sea, no? Right or wrong? It is true. Yes, Ganesh Gupta, you are right. You give the answers in the chat box, and you are right. We obtain salt from the sea. Yes. Tide occurs after every 12 hours and 25 minutes. True. Yes. Ikra, your answer is correct. Tide occurs after every 12 hours and 25 minutes. So you can take photograph of this and you write true or false in the homework. Yes. Okay. Many students give the correct answer. Khushbu Gupta, all the answers are correct. Very good. Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. Due to examples on effects of tides. Okay, I will send you on your WhatsApp group. Okay, anyone want to? Yes, they give the answer. Ganesh Gupta, spring tide and nip tide. Very good, correct. Yes, take the photo. Yeah. Yahya Sheikh. Okay, correct. Your answer is correct and bye. Okay. Thank you, madam.